Okay, for this video, I wanted to quickly show you how to replace and edit links on your site. So I got here the same way as I did in past videos, just by when I log into WordPress, this same bar is here, and then I'm just hitting visit site. That pops up right here. And then I'll just go ahead and do that to remind you. So I just hit visit site. And then we're just gonna go ahead and explain this on the live site. It's just a little bit easier that way. So same thing for the other image and small content changes. We're gonna hit edit page, and this will bring us to a slightly different screen. So I'm just gonna find a link. Buttons are very simple to edit. They're like everything else on the page to edit. You're just gonna click into them. So if I wanted to change this content right here, again, I would just backspace, and then I would just type, I'm gonna keep it the same for now, but I would type whatever I want to replace it with. And then to replace that link, again, we're just clicking in, and you can either edit the link by going to edit link, or you could remove the link by hitting this button. I wouldn't recommend this because it would be a dead link in that case, so try not to hit this button right here, but just keep on this button right here, edit link. And then I believe in one place you wanted to open something in a new tab, and you can do that really easily by here as well. Again, just gonna click into the link wherever it is, hit this little edit button, and then of course you can replace it right here, but you can also hit this advanced and hit open in a new window. I'm not gonna do that for this button, so I don't wanna edit anything that we have going on here, but you can do this all throughout the site. With these little cards, it's a little bit different. The button isn't clickable, like I wasn't able to just click into here. It just wants me to leave, so instead I clicked into the actual card element. I just did this, I clicked here, and then I hit this edit button. And then we don't really want to mess with anything here. I wouldn't recommend switching out this copy at this point unless it's a similar length, so we avoid any formatting issues. But here we get down to the button. So same thing, we can just click in and replace the button text, which is the call to action. And then we can also edit this link, hit edit, and then we can also hit open in a new tab here. So it's very, very user-friendly. If you're just finding that you're not able to change a link where you know a link is, try clicking into the element and then hitting this edit button, and then scrolling down and finding where it says button and open link in a new tab, etc. But that's how you edit links. Again, just click into it. You can change out where it navigates to, you can open a new tab, and of course you can switch out this button copy by just clicking into it, backspacing and adding. And this is the same throughout the whole site. So again, just to recap, very easy. Most pages are just like a giant Word document that you can click into and then edit very easily. And some elements are card elements. You just edit them by hitting this edit button, and then it should bring that up for you. I don't know where it just went for me. But let me know if you have any questions on that. I'll be around. Thank you.